And I fixed my controls. And now we're going to try this again, hopefully without failure. Alright, I pegged the ship. This thing doesn't want to stop for anybody. Got him. Okay. I disabled him. Isn't correct. This isn't the correct ship either. So now I gotta cycle through targets. Okay. Got it. What do I do to... Uh-oh. The station just activated. Guess we gotta deal with that now. Alright, they got a whole bunch of turrets. And this just got real. Divert power to lasers with button number 2. Alright, power diverted to lasers. And that turret is... Is it getting damaged? I cannot tell. There we go. I wasn't in range. Okay. Oh crap. It's got me targeted. Crap. Eat it. Alright, the rolling takes a little getting used to. But everything else is pretty intuitive. Just FYI, rolling is twisting the stick, which I do without meaning to when I'm turning. That's why I may seem a little awkward right now. There we go. Get him! That one's down. Which ones are left? Can we speed up? Okay, I see him. Oh crap, my shields are taking a beating. Alright. I gotta figure out how to heal. I know you can do that. I just don't know what button does it. Alright, let's get some distance. What heals me? That doesn't... What heals? You can know what heals. Oh, that switched to engines. That's... Okay, that's balanced. That's power to shields. That's power to engines. Alright, slow down a bit. The healing button may not be bound to anything right now, and that's maybe why I can't heal. So we'll figure that out later. Alright, coming in for another pass. Seems like there's only a couple turrets left. Okay, I think I'm lined up. Slow down a bit. Got it. Alright, that was the last of them. Ooh, there's a pretty sun over there. Okay, power management. So that switches the balanced. That switches the engines. Okay, I gotta switch targets again. Slow down to roll over. Speed up again. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Oh god, okay. Roll. Oh, being attacked. Roll. X-Wings are on my ass. Oh crap, I'm gonna blow up. I can't heal. This is a bad situation. There's a crack in my windscreen and smoke coming out of my cockpit. Alright. Yes, I got that. Where is he? Oh, there's a whole bunch of them over there. I'm not trying to shoot you. I'm trying to shoot this guy. Come on. Come on. Well, I hit him a few times, but his shields are pretty powerful. Oh, crap. Enemy shields. Yes, I realize that they have shields. That's not particularly helpful. Okay. Get him. Gonna speed up. And I'm dead. And I die in a fiery blaze of glory. So, cool.